If you are looking forward to create a jewelry store, so maybe you manufacture your jewelry yourself, or probably you just want to be selling jewelry, and you're looking forward to creating a professional looking jewelry website, then getting a jewelry theme, that is a theme that is specifically designed for a jewelry store, will go a long way in giving you that professional and sleek WordPress site. Okay, and that's why in this video I'll be sharing with you some of the best themes that you can use to achieve that. If you check the internet right now, you see a lot of themes that talks about themes for jewelry store. So personally, I've taken out time to check out some of the top themes, and I'm come out with 10 themes that comes highly recommendable for you. And before adding this list of 10 themes, I've checked out that they have good reviews, they have good customer support, they have a very good design. That's very important. They have a good demo. So if you want to just look at some of the demos that align with what you tend to achieve, or you like the demo, you can just go ahead and import the demo, update the information to yours, update the images to your own personal product, and then here you are going to be having a professional looking jewelry store. All right, so if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. All the links to all the themes I'll be recommending and sharing with you, I'll leave them in the description of this video so that you can check it out and then acquire any of them. All right, guys, so if you are new to this channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. So do make sure you give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. If you are yet to, please click on that subscribe button. All right, at the lower right, you see this square box with subscribe there. Just click on it to subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you very much again if you have just done that. So with that, now let's head over to the video. Let's check out the best jewelry theme that you can find on the internet for WordPress. So number one on our list is called Corano. All right, so this is a jewelry theme for WooCommerce WordPress. All right, so for this particular theme now, it costs about $48, okay? And if you want to acquire any of the themes that I'll be showing with you, once you're on the page like this, you see this option to add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, then you'll be able to purchase the theme for the listed price. So you might need to also create an account if you don't have an account with them. Once you've done that you've purchased the theme, you'll be able to download the theme files, and that contains the license code which you are going to need when you upload the theme to your WordPress site. Okay, so don't forget the process. All right, so now let's explore Corano theme. So this is the theme now. Let's look at some of the features of this particular theme. So right here is one of the demo for this particular theme. And if you look here, it has about 4 different home page that you can choose from. Okay, so if you like this now, you can just acquire it and then you import this demo. So let's scroll through the pages of this theme so you can see. So this is a section for new arrivals. We have a section for our products. We have a section for testimonials, and there's also a blog section. So you can see it's looking more like a minimalist design. And then these are some of the other pages. If you want to see what the shop page looks like, the product page, the blog, and then we also have the contacts. All right. So if you want to also look at what's the cart page, the wish list, the checkout page, you can also do that once you come on this page. All right, so this is the first one that comes highly recommendable, Corano. So the next thing we are also going to be looking at is called Goldsmith. So actually this is one of my favorites among all the themes that I'll be sharing with you. So for Goldsmith, you can see jewelry store, for gem store, diamond, jewelry. And then this theme is created with Elementor. So if you know how to use Elementor, you're a fan of Elementor Page Builder, then you might also want to consider Goldsmith. So let's explore Goldsmith. So right here is one of the demo sites for this. So if you like this site, the way it looks like, you just want to have something exactly this, you can just go ahead and import this. So you can see it has all this discount section. You can see different section, different layouts. So this is looking very, very professional. This demo looks great. So if you like this demo, just go ahead and get the theme, and then you import this demo. So there are other home page that you can also check out. This is the left sidebar. So that's this sidebar here is having this sidebar. If you want to check out other types of demo or home page option, you can just check it out from here. So if you want to look at the product also, how simple product look like, how the image variation look like, different templates, you can do that. But this is one of the demos, and seriously, personally, it looks great. All All right, so this here is the second one, that's Goldsmith. So let's move over to the third one. So the third one is called custom made. Now this custom made theme, you can see it's a jewelry manufacturer and store WordPress theme. Now this theme is actually suitable if you are a manufacturer of jewelries. Okay, so if you look at some of the, if you scroll down, you're going to see some of the features. Now all these themes are mobile optimized, so I might not be mentioning it for all the themes, but just know that all the themes I'm recommending, they are mobile optimized. That means they appear well on your mobile view, because as an e-commerce website, most of your customers will be coming in through mobile. All right, so there are high chances that they'll be mobile. So all the themes, I've made sure that they are mobile friendly and responsive. Okay, so this is one of the demo from this, for this particular theme called custom made. They have about 3 different demos. We have Home 2 and Home Box. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see make an appointment. So that's like just like the name. If you are a jewelry manufacturer, then you might consider this particular one. So maybe somebody needs a jewelry, they might need to make an appointment. If you create a custom design, so you can see it here. So this is different from just showcasing products, jewelry products, and then adding price. Okay, so this is more like custom made, if you are into custom made jewelries and the likes. So you can then have, some information about you, so that they can know who they are dealing with, a link to your contact page, some products that you have, your location and every other thing. All right, so this is it. And you can also check out other pages. So from this menu now, you can use this to see what other pages looks like. If you want to check out the contact page, and you can see this already have some social media icon. So if it's this theme you want to go for, you just go ahead and update this social icons to your own social icons, and then you have your website ready. So that is it on custom made. All right, so now to the next one, we have bijou. All right, this is a French word for jewelry. Okay, this is another jewelry e-commerce website. This theme also works with Elementor Page Builder. If you scroll down, you're going to see some other features about it. So now let's look at some of the demos. All right, so right here is one of the demo for this particular theme. So you can see finest jewelry inspired by our life. So this is the home page. If you come over to the home page, there are 2 home page styles. So here is one of them. All right, so you can see it here. There's this arrow pointing downward. You can see selected works, showing some of the items that they have, some of the jewelries they have. So this is based on category. Okay, and then this is it. So you can also check out the about and then the collection. There's this that shows, all right, that shows other different category or different menu. So let me close it, and this is the cards section. All right, so here is bijou. If you also like this theme or you want to check it out, you find the link to it in the description of this video. And if you want to go for it, just the same process. Once you're on this page, just click on add to carts, and then you'll be able to acquire this particular theme. So I hope you're finding value in this. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. Now, next on our list is called Frank Jewelry Store. So if you are into accessories like jewelries, yes, and watches and the other accessories, so here is another one. This comes with 8 home page. And it also works with Elementor Page Builder. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing every other feature. So these are some of the home page. This is what it looks like. So all the 8 home page, these are what they all look like. It also has a blog layout. So 12 demo styles for the blog. So you can also see in terms of features, sticky photo, video. In terms of header style, it comes with pre-made header, 3 header style. So you can use any of these. Maybe you want the logo at the center top with a colored background or a transparent background. All of these are available within this particular theme. They are mobile optimized. I've mentioned that earlier. Custom layouts, custom types, SEO optimized, extra widget area, and a whole lot more. So that is it on Frank Jewelry Store. So you can also, this also comes highly recommendable. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to be getting some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that okay, you want to keep the website. And like since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payment. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. Welcome back. So next is called Arrow Jewellery Store WordPress theme. So Arrow, this particular one comes with 12 pre-built demos. Okay, so now let's check out the demo for this one. So this is my second favorite theme on my list. So if you scroll down to this, now let's check out the demo. So these are the demo. We have these demos right here. So if you want to check out any of them, once you click on it, you'll be able to see the different set parts of this particular demo. Now this theme also works with Elementor Page Builder. So it comes with different header and footer designs. So you can choose from any of these header or footer design. And if you are very creative with Elementor Page Builder, you can also create yours. And then the inner pages too. These are what some of the templates that will be available to you if you go with this theme for your inner pages. And then support some plugins like One-Click, Elementor, Revolution Slider. That's to give you a great hero section. WooCommerce, Mailchimp, Contact Form 7. All right. So now let's check out. So if you want to check out, we've checked out the demo list. All right. But I've opened one already. So you can see here, this is one of the demo. So you can see this is the home. This is, if you want to check out the shop, the products, how the product look like, the blog. If you want to see, the blogs have 3 types, maybe the grid type, the list type, or a single post. You can use that to check it out. But here is a demo, just letting you to see what it looks like. So this can be for category. Okay, this will just take you to a category under bridal jewelry, maybe diamond, cable twist bracelets. You can use that as a category. So scroll down to, you can see list of products, this particular section, best selling, and you can see some of these effects. Now this is looking very professional and neat. So if you want to make use of this, you can just go ahead and import this demo. What you might just need is to bring in your own products, okay? And then you are good to go. Bring in your own products, update the title and then your price, and then you already have your jewelry website. So you can see it here. Here is a testimonial section, okay? And here you can use this to get your, your client or your customer's email. Maybe if you want to do promo, it makes it your marketing much more easier. All right. So you can see this now. If you like this demo, you can just go ahead and get the arrow theme. Okay. And this theme is coming as a price of $49. Okay. All right. So next one is Adena. Adena, this is a jewelry store that also works with Elementor Page Builder. All right. So you can see the pre-built pages. So let's check it out properly. So this comes with 10 home page. So you can see this, right? So if you want to see the full page, once you click on it, it will open up. So but you can see just giving us a view of what the home page looks like. And if you want to see the inner pages too, it's available. Once you're on this page, you can see them, support most of the plugins. So you see that all the themes I'm recommending, they are looking very great. Okay. So if you feel so too, let me know. Just give the video a thumbs up. So, and also let me know in the comment section, what kind of jewelry store are you looking forward to create? Are you looking at just jewelry? Are you looking at watches? Are you a manufacturer of jewelries? Okay, so let me know in the comment section. All right, so that is it on Adena Jewelry Store WooCommerce WordPress theme. Okay, the next one that we are looking at is called Goldish. Okay, Goldish Jewelry Store. Right, so now let's explore this to see some of the features of this particular theme. So for this Goldish now, it also comes with its own demos. All right, so and here is one of them. So you can see different home page. I think there is about 12. So these 12 demos can just get you started with your own jewelry website. Okay. And like I mentioned, it works with Elementor Page Builder, with WooCommerce, and everything is ready for you to get started. Mobile first, you can see the layout on mobile view, looking very, very responsive. And the shop layout, there are different shop layouts. You can see it, the one with sidebar, 4 arrows, 3 arrows. I mean 3 rows rather, 4 rows, 3 rows. And then if you want it to 2 rows, you want them boxed. And then if you want them to be compact like this, maybe you want to show so many products at the same time on the page, it comes with different layouts that you can work with. So you can see it here. And then the product layout itself, how each product appears. So you can see it here, modern layout, variable. And then if you want to upload products with a video, so this is showing you what it looks like. Okay. All right. So in terms of customization, you can see it here. It's very customizable. Okay. There are different customization options. And also, if you're having issues while creating yours or maybe modifying some of the demos, they also have great documentation and video guide that can put you through in case of any of those challenges. And you can also contact their support. They have a very good and responsive support. All right. So that is it on Goldish. Here is another jewelry WordPress theme that comes highly recommendable. All right. So the last one on our list is called Caro. Caro Jewelry Theme WooCommerce WordPress theme. So this is a theme that works with Elementor Page Builder, and it comes with 65 demos. Okay, 65 demos for and the price is $59. Okay, so from those 65 demos, here are some of them. Here's what some of the demos actually looks like. Works with Elementor Page Builder. You can import any of the demos. If you're okay with any of the demo, you can go ahead and import them. Just the same process. Once you import them, update the images and some of the informations, and then you already have your website. So this is to let you know that the theme is actually fast. Okay, and you remember, in creating an e-commerce website, you have to make sure that your website is fast so that your clients or your customers, once they come on your page, if they see that it's slow, they might just leave, which will increase your bounce rate, which is not good enough. All right, so these are some key features for this particular theme. Mobile version ready, WooCommerce, 360 products viewer, off-canvas cards, Gutenberg optimized. So you can also use this theme for a multi-vendor website. That's a website that allows you that allows other users to come on your website to create an account so that they can also sell their products. Okay. All right. So compatible with some of this, with all of these plugins, Contact Form 7, Evanto Toolkit, WPML. So you can also have it in multiple languages. Just your website, there'll be an option to convert it to another language. That's for if you are getting traffic from countries that is different from countries whose languages are different from what you set up. Okay. So if you also like this, do make sure you check it out. WP Bakery Page Builder. So it works with Elementor Page Builder, WP Bakery Page Builder. So guys, let's just go through all the things I've shared with you. We looked at Corano, we look at Goldsmith, which is one of my favorites. We looked at custom made. This is for jewelry manufacturer. This demo or this theme is very, very okay. And then we look at Bijou, Frank Jewelry Store. We look at Arrow, Adena, and then we looked at Goldish, and then we look at Kara. So guys, these are all the themes I'm recommending for you. So let me know in the comment section which one you're going to be picking. Like I've made it known, my own personal preference is this Arrow and then Goldsmith, but notwithstanding, the rest are great. Taking out time to explore all the options that is available here. Okay, so also check out the Hostinger theme, hosting I recommended earlier. If you want to take part in the 73% discounts plus the free domain that you're going to be getting costing of Hostinger, I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Also links to all the themes that I've mentioned in this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you find value in this. I hope this makes it easier for you to choose a theme for your jewelry WordPress e-commerce site. Okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prosper and I'll see you all in another video. All right. Bye for now.